A very exciting day today because right now I received this bad boy right here, the Sony A7 IV. And I'm filming now on my trusty old Sony A7 III, and I'm wondering if I should switch to the Sony A7 IV or not. So let's unbox this together and do the first impression and see if there is indeed a huge quality difference in terms of like image quality and video and photo. Let's find out. Let's switch things up. Alright guys, so first thing first, this Sony A7 IV, I got this with the Amazon warehouse deals for a very affordable price. Right, so this is not brand new, but we'll see how brand new this is. But anyways, for a good price. The usual suspects, manuals and stuff, and registration papers and everything. Might be important for some. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Dang. This feels beefy compared to my Sony A7 III. Got a good grip on it. Fully articulating screen. This is something that I'm looking forward to. Cannot talk anymore. I'm shaking. And here it is, the full frame sensor. Looks like there's a little bit of dust on it actually, so I need to clean it before I use it. Is there a battery in it? Ooh. Feels good, man. Oh, the buttons feels nice. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, how does this work? How can you go to S and Q? Oh, you have to punch it in a little bit. Ooh. Okay, let's put that to the side. We got strapping the strap. Charging thingies that I'm not gonna use because I got my own charging stuff, and a battery the same as always, the Z or Z batteries, right? So we're gonna see how much juice there is in this thing actually. Ooh. Oh, I'm shaking, man. Okay, let's see how much juice it has. Let's see. English. Do not connect. Cancel. 73%. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, let's see the menu system real quick. Oh, touch screen. Okay. Yeah, let's do a first testing. I'm gonna switch from this camera to this camera and do the first impression and everything to see how it actually looks, and do a first side-by-side comparison maybe as well. All right, let's switch things around. Okay, right now I am on the Sony A7 IV, recording in 4K 25 frames per second. No picture profile, straight out of camera. How does it look? And I'm seeing myself in the screen. It looks pretty good right now. I'm gonna compare it to the Sony A7 III in a couple of seconds just to see how this looks straight out of camera. The ISO is also set now at 100, f2.8 on the Tamron 28 to 75 f2.8. I cannot speak anymore. I'm so excited to use this camera and to see if this is actually really something that I need to upgrade to from my Sony A7 III. But from now, I like what I'm seeing on the screen, but we'll see in a couple of seconds in 1, 2, 3. And now this is on the Sony A7 III. How does it look? I think this also looks pretty good on the monitor, so we'll see about this. I don't know right now, but I'm gonna let you decide which one looks better. And also Here is the first picture that I took with the Sony A7 IV. It looks really promising, guys. It looks really thick, if that make any sense. It's like, whew. But anyways, I'm gonna test this thing out and put it to all the spaces and compare it to the trusty old Sony A7 III. Maybe I will switch, maybe I won't. We'll see in the next one. All right, as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck. Testing now on the Sigma 16mm f2.8, 16 to 28, and looks pretty sharp, guys. Looks pretty sharp. I don't know. It looks good, but the Sony A7 III still looks really good. It still looks really good, right? It maybe even better.